Welcome to Eschmann Little Sister. Today we're going to show you how to replace the door seal on the SES2000, SES2010 and Little Sister 3 N-type autoclaves.
The door seal is essential for the safe and effective operation of your autoclave. To keep it in good condition, you need to clean it regularly, preferably between every cycle, and at least on a daily basis. Periodically you'll need to replace it as it deteriorates through normal wear and tear or becomes damaged. As a rule, you should expect to replace the door seal every 500 cycles.
If you notice steam or water leaking from the door seal during a cycle, before you rush to replace the seal, just give it a clean with an Eschmann recommended cleaning and disinfection wipe. 9 times out of 10, the leak is caused by dirt or oil contamination of the seal and can be simply resolved with a quick clean. Check our video on cleaning and maintenance for more information. Before you start, make sure you have everything ready. The autoclave should be securely placed on a clean, dry and flat surface and be cool enough to touch the metal parts of the inner door comfortably. After running a cycle, we recommend allowing the unit to cool with the door open for at least 30 minutes. Our door seal fittings kit includes everything you need. 4 door seals, which in many practices will be sufficient for a whole year, a pack of Eschmann recommended cleaning and disinfection wipes, 2 spare spring washers, a 10mm spanner, and the instruction leaflet.
Now that the autoclave is cool, you're ready to replace the door seal.
Use the spanner to unscrew the nut. Then remove the spring washer and the large washer.
Place the washers and nuts safely to one side as you'll need them later when fitting the new seal.
Pressing your thumbs against the retaining disc, remove the door seal assembly. Separate the retaining disc from the retaining rim and remove the old door seal. The old door seal can be disposed of in your general waste. Now for some cleaning. Take an Eschmann recommended cleaning and disinfection wipe and clean all around the chamber face, paying special attention to the lower part where dirt tends to build up. The door seal connects with the chamber face, so this should form part of your daily cleaning routine. Next, clean the pressure door plate. Again, concentrate on the lower part and the area around that connects with the door seal assembly. Also clean the retaining rim, focusing on the inner edge, and finally the outer edge and both sides of the door seal retaining plate. Take a new door seal and fit it around the retaining plate. You may notice a slight ridge on one side of the door seal. For ease of fitting, position the plate so this ridge is facing outwards from the rim. Mount the assembled parts onto the screw of the door plate with the 2 holes positioned to the bottom. Position the large washer so that the sharp edge is facing inwards, flush against the retaining disc. Replace the spring washer and the nut. Then secure the nut with the spanner, turning the spanner clockwise until it stops. There's no need to over-tighten the nut. Finally, wipe around the door seal with a cleaning and disinfection wipe, checking to make sure you have a good smooth fit. You're now ready to run a test cycle to verify everything is working correctly and that no steam or water is leaking from the door seal. Place an Eschmann TST strip alongside your instruments and at the end of the cycle, check the strip to ensure the correct colour change, indicating that the conditions for sterilisation have been achieved. And that's it. We hope this guide has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more guides and tips, and contact us if you need further advice or help.